Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a blue exterior with a tan interior. Some really nice dark wood grain trim and silver accents as well. Sunroof, blind spot assist. And let's go ahead and take a look at the back. So we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage room back here. So we've got one of those rear seats folded down, just in case you need a little extra storage. Take a look at our rear seats here. Again, that dark wood grain trim. This vehicle is also equipped with the premium Burmester sound system. Find those speakers throughout the vehicle. And rear seats here. Take a quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And now here on the driver's side, we do have memory seats. We also have heated seats for both driver and passenger. Below the seat controls, you have your door controls. And then our driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. So we do have a push button ignition. And mileage on this vehicle currently at 31,849. And so here is our Mercedes-Benz display with navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below the display is your climate control. And then we have cup holder. Here's the command module where you can make adjustments to the display. It's also where you can switch between the different sport modes, comfort, individual, sport plus, eco, all of that. And center console storage. Finally, the Mercedes-Benz shifter. And if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting any additional information about this GLC 300 or any of the other vehicles on our showroom floor, just see our website. You can check out full in-depth interior 360-degree videos. You can see photos, you can schedule a test drive, all kinds of good stuff. Just see our website, feldmanimports.com.